Welcome to the Inferno. This is Chris921 here with a situation that I pulled on the end, and this was a one turn setup, 2-turn kill. Actually no, it was 3 turns. It just seemed like 2 because it just went by that fast. But alright, my opponent goes first. This is my starting hand. He sets 1 card and passes. I draw in 2. Reinforcement of the army. Not a bad card to start off with. So I go ahead and activate it. Add Armageddon Knight to my hand. The reason I didn't add Big Greffer is because, as you can see, it wouldn't have done any good. So I normal summon. Send Archfiend to the grave. Activate Foolish Burial. Send Necromancer to the grave. Then I set. I set 3 and activate Monster Reborn. Special summon this. Use effect. Special summon this. Now, knowing that I won't have an Inferno monster face up, I add a break to my hand, and then I set it. Then I seed, and because I don't have a chain yet, just pretend this is chain. So then I use chain's effect to send that, and yeah, send a Agent Street Patrol to the grave, Orcified as Miku. Very nice, I do say so myself. Then this is what I'm left with. Then he opens up, MSTs my break, which I was thinking about chaining, but then it's like, only target I have is him, and I need him for next turn. So, then, actually, kind of messed up. Had this set, all that. I attack into his witch. He banishes his Esper Girl. And then I pass. He special summons his Esper Girl, banish the target. Normal summons another level 2 tuner. Or no, he opens up with this and MST, summons his monster, goes okay. Then I chain Chalice, because I don't want to have to deal with the effect, because it's pay 1,000 and you swap cards with your opponent. It's that one. So then he just stays there and goes, let's add the Escher deck. I'm thinking he won't want to see because he's gonna want to get that card from Esper Girl's effect. So then he sets 1 and ends. Then I draw in 2 and MST. Perfect opening. Activate MST. Get that. Use Necromancer's effect to special summon Archfiend. Archfiend's effect to search for Avenger. Another Orca. Normal summon Avenger. And at this point, I have 2 options that would be both sufficient. I could take the take a safe route and hope that because he's playing this, that he won't drop Matt C. Make him think I won't. Or I could bait it out and try to get and let him draw a few cards. But I go the safe route because I'm thinking, okay, he's playing this. Matt C's got to be in there. I definitely don't want him drawing in too many cards right now because he's going way too much. So I go Doom Dragon. Now the other thing you could have done is when 100 Eyes effect to banish Necromancer. Necromancer effect to special summon Archfiend, which at this point, if he had Nat C, he would have dropped it, which he didn't, because he already. I found out later that he had nothing in his hand. Well, he had stuff, but not enough. You could do this, then get him and Doom Dragon out, but I decided to just go safe, go for the one synchro. But then right now I go attack into his other level 2 that's 100, make him take 29, attack into this. He's gonna get this effect, and I stop it with barrier. Now at this point, nothing on the field, few cards in hand. He draws. He summons out a Scrap Beast, or no, not Scrap Beast. It's a level 4 Scrap Monster. He activates. Then I chain Phoenix Chain like an idiot because I wasn't 100% sure on the effect, and it's like then he changed Scrap Storm, sending Scrap Beast to the grave. Then destroys that. Then this goes too. Then he special summons Grand Soil because he has 5 in the grave. Special summons this. Then, no, he doesn't. No, that's next turn. He must have he draws into Grand Soil next turn. I got a little ahead of myself because I remember that Lavalval Chain didn't have anything. So he ends. He ends at that with nothing on his field. I draw. I completely forget what I draw into, but it's really unimportant. Because I think I just said something. I go effect and add Archfiend to the top of my deck. That way, if he does anything next turn, I'm good. Then I kind of forget what I did next. I kind of forget what happened next. I forget if I attacked or not. I think I attacked with this, and then I just forget. So this turns a whole blur because next turn is game. You draw some Grand Soil, special summons this, tats into. I go, alright. My turn comes. Top to Archfiend, special, effect, add obvious choice, add launcher. Use launcher's effect. He has no card, no back row or anything. Special, search, add a barrier. I don't have another barrier, so just add a barrier, set it, effect, a special summon, special summon, then I sink into Void Ogre. So he has Grand Soil out and all that. And I use Doom Dragon's effect to pop this. Banishes, then he banishes Cleric. Banishes Cleric. Attacking the Grand Soil. He has 2 cards in hand. I attack with Archfiend, drops Trag. Then I just attack with it because he has 1 card in hand, so it's 100 defense, so got that. And this is the setup. Next turn, special summons this. Declares effect, I activate that. Then I go, okay, attack, drop scores. I go, okay, he lost 3,000, he's at 12,000 left. Main phase 2, you missed defeat. So yeah, that's how Lavalval Chain helped me win against the Psychic deck and against Grand Soil, and why Inferno's Argus Beast. So this is Chris 21. Peace.